Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This is Sick Eric back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a little tips and tricks for your LG V40. Now, this will also work on the LG V30 as well, and what we're going to be doing is, I guess, tricking the Quad DAC into running in a more powerful mode, which is the external audio mode, using this little guy right here. This is a headphone extension adapter you could get off of Amazon for like $5. I'll post a link in the description down below where you could get one of these, or for this particular one if you want to try it out. And essentially what this does is this tricks the Quad DAC on the LG V40 and V30 into thinking you're plugging in a little bit more powerful headphones, and this will boost up the power on here and give you better audio. So let's go ahead and show you what this does. Another link I'll post in the description down below is for this really cool app that is made for LG. It's HiFi Status, and what this shows you is exactly what you have plugged into your device. It'll show a little notification up top. It'll show whether you're running normal audio, external audio, or high impedance audio on here. And let me go ahead and show you how this works. I'll post this in a link in the description down below. So when you plug in a pair of headphones, as you see right there, it shows you connected to normal audio device that has a microphone. And that is what I have, is just these AKG headphones. I really love these headphones. They sound really good. Now, the cool part is when you use this adapter, it'll boost it up to external audio. So essentially, you plug this adapter in first, nothing connected to the other end, and then you plug in your headphones, and now it shows you connected to external audio device that has a microphone. And there you go right there. And what this will do is boost up the audio and boost up the power and give you a lot more powerful sound just using your regular headphones. Now, if you have high impedance headphones, you don't have to use this. It'll be a little bit easier to just connect the headphone and have it go into external or high impedance. I do not have any headphones like that, so this is a way to sort of cheat and get that higher powerful sound using your normal headphones. And I suggest doing this using these AKG if you have a pair of these, because it does sound really, really good. There's a way to do this in the car. It's a little bit tricky as far as getting high impedance mode connecting to your auxiliary port in your car. It works for me sometimes. It doesn't work sometimes. Essentially, you turn on the auxiliary on your stereo, you turn your volume up, and then you plug in your cable, and sometimes it gets you in a high impedance mode. Sometimes it doesn't. It's sort of, I guess, the way you stick the jack in there, whether it's slow or fast, it'll sometimes trick it into high impedance mode. But as far as getting it into external mode on your normal headphones using this cable, this is how it is done. And trust me, it is a huge difference going from normal audio to external audio. And like I said, this will work on the V30 as well. I'm not sure about the V40, but the V30 and the V40, it does work. And I just wanted to share that with you. That way you guys could take advantage of the Quad DAC and the audio on this device. So like I said, all the links will be posted down below for the adapter and for the HiFi Status application as well. So with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little notification bell. That way you are alerted with my future content on this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.